Anyone's nightmare, really. A car suddenly catches fire on Old Mumbai-Pune Expressway highway near Dapodi-Pimpri Chinchwad. No injury or fatalities were thankfully reported. Pimpri Chinchwad incident is all caught on camera. The fire brigade reached the spot in time, managed to control the blaze, and so it would not spread to other vehicles. According to primary information, it appeared that the vehicle caught fire due to a short circuit inside the car. Remember, in the past few years, we've increasingly seen incidents and different categories of vehicles suddenly catching fire, engine bursts into flames. But thankfully, there have been moments where, for example, in this one, possibly, the driver, the passenger, got time to get out of the vehicle as well. Omkar Wable is joining me on the phone line for the latest on this. Omkar, good morning. Tell me what exactly happened, what time was it, and are the passengers, the drivers safe? Omkar, if you can hear me, tell me more about this incident and about the safety, security of those on the road and in the car. Alright, so that's the latest coming. Just look at that. This, remember, of course, may have started with a short circuit, but engulfed the vehicle into flames. We'll try and ascertain more details about what car is it. But I reiterate that in the past few years, and especially ahead of the summer season, during the peak temperatures as well, we have seen that especially vehicles on the highway or tracking more than usual kilometers have suddenly caught fire. Just look at that. This is extremely disturbing because remember that in moments where there have been passengers or driver who got stuck inside the vehicle. And therefore, right now we are told, however, no injury, no fatality reported in this case. Omkar, if you can hear me, tell me more about this fire incident of the car on the highway in Pimpri Chinchwad.
Exactly. Car suddenly caught fire on Old Mumbai-Pune Expressway last night. It is near, incident happened near Dapoli. It is in the Pimpri Chinchwad of Pune. But the main thing is no injuries and fatalities were reported during this incident. But fire brigade reached on the time and they managed everything. They tried to control the fire, and according to the primary report, so the car caught fire due to short circuit. But still, agencies are investigating further.
All right, Omkar, keep tracking the latest. And briefly, the driver, passenger are safe?
Yeah, they are all safe.
All right. Omkar, thank you very much for giving us these details coming in from the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, and perhaps something that the car manufacturers in India need to really look at, especially whether it's Indian manufactured or imported vehicles, about why and how are these cars catching fire suddenly.
MH02 नहीं कर्नाटक नहीं MH02